Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 9x12 gallery wrap canvas. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. My background is going to be a titanium white. I mix my colors, 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then I thin with water. So I'm spreading my background out so I get a nice thin coat. If you plan on selling your artwork, then you should consider doing your sides. Just helps the piece look more polished and professional. I'm using a blow dryer to blow my background out, which is called the flood coat. This canvas is a little bit unique. Instead of having straight sides down, it kind of flares out. Using a sponge brush to do my sides. And you really don't need additional paint. The paint that runs off the top of the canvas, you can just use that to cover your sides. Once I have my sides down the way I want them, I will start adding color. And I'm only going to use 3 colors for this. Using a Payne's gray, a Prussian blue, and the colors are so dark you can barely tell there's a difference. And the iridescent gold. I'm going to add a little bit of my background around the colors. Helps when I blow it out for the colors to have more paint to glide over. I'm going to use my mini blower that I got from Amazon to blow some of the background over the colors. And then I'll blow it out with to my desired composition. Then I'll use a straw just to blow it out a little bit more detailed. And whenever you blow it out, After you blow, you should stop and take a few seconds and look at it to see if that was a good blow, if you like how the paint flowed, or if you need to make a change. Don't be in a rush. Okay, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Creating is what I do.